Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll provide the review of one important product in everybody's house, especially those who are plant lovers. Currently we all stay in flats, and so in that case the availability of land becomes a constraint and plantation becomes a constraint. In such case, this product can be very much helpful for arranging all the small plant tubs, and this is why I've purchased this product. I've received this yesterday and now I'll unbox this product for your information so that you can take your decision for the purchasing. So now I'll unbox this product. This is the box which I have received. This gunny bag is producing so much of waste, so I suggest to do it outside the home. This product is received very good condition, I think, because they have tied it very well so that during transportation they does not get hit with each other because of the loose product. They have also provided one booklet. I think this will have different kinds of products. These are the attachments which I'll show that how to attach. This is a screw which they have provided with this packing. I'll use this screw to attach the whole assembly. Total 10 number of nuts with screw are provided. This is the whole product which is received, and I have removed all the plastic materials and everything so that it can be assembled properly. Out of 10, 2 nuts and bolts are left over. That means they have provided 2 additional nuts and bolts. This is a very good thing. This is the one which I have installed at my home, which you can also try at your home to keep all the flower tubs and do the plantation as per your choice. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Keep watching me and please subscribe my video on channel and like my video. Thanks.